Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. I hope all of you guys are doing alright. I appreciate you guys clicking on the video. I would also really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button down below, and since you're already there, you might as well hit that subscribe button as well. So for today's video, as you could already tell by the name, I will be painting my grill black today. Not only do I want to paint it black, but I also want to make sure it's a glossy black. I actually do not have the paint just yet, but I'm gonna run to the store and get it, and I'll see you guys after. Okay, so here's a paint that I got. I got it at AutoZone. First, I got this Rust-Oleum. It's a gloss black, as you can see. And it also has primer, so that's a plus. I also got this gloss clear, just to make it a little extra glossy, since we're going for that gloss finish. Now that we have the paint, let's get the grill off.
To remove the grill, it's gonna be these pins right here. Just pop them out like that.
Then there's gonna be
that one right there.
This is how it's gonna look when it comes out.
To get the emblem off, all you have to do is pull these ones apart and it'll come right off. After you move the clips in the back, it should come right off. So what you're gonna need to do this is just 400 sandpaper to sand this thing down. Okay, so once you're done sanding, what you want to do is you want to take any kind of towel or rag and you want to clean it off with alcohol. After this, we could begin painting. You want to make sure to spray very lightly on the first coat, that way the paint has something to stick to. This is how the first coat should look. Now we go on to the second coat and you do exactly the same. Don't forget to lightly get the edges. On the third coat, you want to spray it on a little bit more wet, but don't overdo it. You should also get in between the lines, just make sure to keep your distance. Now it's time for the clear coat. You want to spray this one exactly the same, and I went with 3 coats. Now that you're done, you can let it dry for a couple hours. Now that it's done air drying, you could finally put the emblem back in. Just make sure it's completely dry or else it'll mess up the paint. To do this, you just push it in with a little bit of force and it'll go right in. After this, what you want to do is just make sure all the clips, as you see there, go in. Some other ones right there, just after this, you just pop in the clips, this one and this one, and you're good. Okay, so here's the finished product. It came out very glossy, as you could see, just like I wanted it to. Now all I need are the headlights, which will be coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys found it helpful, and stay tuned for the next video where I will be installing the new headlights, and thank you for watching.